In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open images in a lightbox on Squarespace. This is a great way to enhance your website's visual appeal by allowing visitors to view images in a larger format without cluttering their screens. It's really quite simple, so let's dive right in. To start, you need to be on your Squarespace website. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the editing features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Squarespace interface and locate the page you'd like to work on. This is where your gallery and images are displayed. It's essential to ensure that the layout of this page is suited to your overall design and meets the aesthetic you're aiming for. Next, click on the page to open it. As soon as the page opens, you'll notice an option to edit. Go ahead and select Edit, because this is where the magic begins. The editing mode will provide all the tools needed to customize your page exactly how you want it. It's an interactive and intuitive process, and even if you've never done it before, you'll find it straightforward and manageable. Now, once you're in the editing mode, direct your attention to the specific section containing your images. This could be a gallery section that you've set up for showcasing your work or products. You'll want to click Edit section here. This enables you to change the settings related to your images and gallery layout. Editing individual sections gives you finer control over how each part of your website behaves and looks. As you dive deeper into the gallery settings, you'll see an option labeled Lightbox. The Lightbox feature is what allows your images to pop out or expand when clicked by a visitor, offering a more immersive viewing experience. To activate this effect, simply enable the Lightbox option. By doing so, you're ensuring that images will open in a larger window overlaid on the current page, making them easier to see in detail without the distractions of other elements on the page. And that's it. You've enabled the Lightbox feature for your images on Squarespace. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to preview the changes you've made. Double-check that everything works smoothly and that the Lightbox opens correctly. This will give you peace of mind and ensure a seamless experience for your visitors. Once you're satisfied, save your changes, and your images will now open in a Lightbox, enhancing the overall experience on your website. I hope you found this guide helpful. With just a few clicks, you've managed to add a professional touch to your Squarespace site. This feature not only improves user engagement, but also elevates the visual storytelling of your website. Keep exploring the various tools Squarespace offers, as there's always more to discover to help your site stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.